Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest beautiful idea and beautiful style designs for crochet pattern and creative crochet pattern for vegetables and food pattern ideas. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern, amigurumi, different crochet, uh, home decor ideas, and crocheting vegetable is a fun and creative project. You can make fresh vegetables like carrot, tomatoes, or cucumber. Here are a basic pattern for crocheting a simple carrot and uh, a vegetable and with fruit pattern like apple and banana and orange, like grapes. Different ideas here are. So I hope you like it my video, and guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and press the bell icon and beautiful and latest different ideas for this channel. So please subscribe my channel and see these videos till the end, and mention in comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern, and feel free to ask